Did emancipation immediately grant civil rights to freed people? Recent discussions have sparked interest in a significant question. Did the Emancipation Proclamation grant civil rights to freed people right away? This topic is more relevant than ever, as people seek to understand the historical context of civil rights in America. The Emancipation Proclamation, issued by President Abraham Lincoln on January 1, 1863, declared enslaved people in Confederate states to be free. However, it did not grant immediate civil rights to all enslaved individuals. The proclamation applied only to Confederate states actively rebelling against the Union. It excluded border states loyal to the Union and areas already under Union control. As a result, many enslaved people remained in bondage until Union forces could enforce the proclamation in those regions. For instance, in Texas, enslaved people were not freed until Union troops arrived on June 19, 1865. This date is now recognized as Juneteenth, a significant moment in American history. The immediate effects of the proclamation were limited. Confederate states resisted enforcement, and the Union lacked the military presence needed to implement emancipation sooner. The proclamation was primarily a wartime measure aimed at weakening the Confederacy's economic base. It encouraged African Americans to join the Union Army, with around 200,000 black soldiers serving. Their participation helped shift the war's focus toward abolition and laid the groundwork for future civil rights progress. Despite the proclamation's military and symbolic significance, full legal abolition of slavery did not happen until the ratification of the 13th Amendment in December 1865. Even then, the amendment included a loophole allowing involuntary servitude as punishment for crime. This loophole contributed to new forms of racial oppression through the penal system. In summary, while the Emancipation Proclamation was a critical step in ending slavery, it did not immediately grant civil rights or freedom to all enslaved people. Enforcement varied widely, and legal and social equality remained elusive for freed people in the immediate aftermath. The struggle for civil rights continued long after emancipation was declared, highlighting ongoing challenges faced by Black Americans in securing true freedom and equality.